Children are some of the most vulnerable individuals in our justice system. Barristers practising in youth justice proceedings should develop and maintain specialist knowledge and skills because children often have complex needs and limited understanding of legal processes. That's why the Bar Standards Board has set its youth proceedings competences that barristers working in this specialist area should meet. This video will guide you through them. The importance of competence and registration. Barristers who practice or plan to practice in the youth courts must register this with the Bar Standards Board and, in doing so, declare that they meet its youth proceedings competences. Most barristers will do this as part of the BSB's annual authorisation to practice process. The BSB's resources for barristers practising in youth proceedings have more information. Competence Area 1. Understanding and applying youth justice law and procedure. Barristers should have an up-to-date understanding of youth justice law and procedure, applying it effectively to help vulnerable children participate effectively in proceedings. Youth justice is distinct from adult criminal law, with different sentencing principles, procedural rules, and legal safeguards. Competence Area 2. Understanding vulnerabilities in the youth justice system. All children in the justice system are vulnerable by virtue of their age and stage of development, but many have additional vulnerabilities and needs, such as neurodiversity, mental health issues, or experiences of trauma. A competent barrister should recognise and respond to these vulnerabilities and needs, adapting their approach accordingly. Competence Area 3. Awareness of background and needs. A child's cultural, social and educational background affects their experience of the youth justice system. A competent barrister should take reasonable steps to understand children's individual backgrounds and circumstances and how they may impact communication, engagement and legal decision-making for the child. Competence Area 4. Effective communication and engagement. A competent barrister should adapt their language and approach to ensure vulnerable children understand what is happening, so they can participate effectively and feel supported. Competence Area 5. Awareness of key youth justice organisations. A range of individuals and organisations provide valuable expertise and support for youth justice proceedings and vulnerable children in the youth justice system. Competent barristers should be aware of these individuals and organisations and how to engage with them when this is in the interests of their client and the proceedings. Barristers practising in youth justice proceedings play a crucial role. By meeting the BSB's youth proceedings competences, they can provide the specialist advocacy this area demands and help meet their regulatory obligation to provide competent standards of work and service. Targeted continuing professional development is key to developing and maintaining competence in this specialist and uniquely challenging area. To learn more and register your competence, visit the Bar Standards Board website today.